Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. You are watching the email writing series and we have reached the day 6 of this series. Guess what? What you are going to learn in this video? You are going to learn how to write email cover letter. Now some of you must be thinking, what is an email cover letter? Now let me explain you by giving an example. Sometimes you may find a job on LinkedIn or maybe in a newspaper. When you see that job, you wish to apply for that. And for that, you have to send your resume to the respective person's mail ID. In the subject of the email, you have to write this cover letter. And with this, you have to attach your resume. So it's a professional email when you need to apply for a job. Let's see what are the do's and don'ts of a cover letter. The first and most important thing is you have to mention about the position in the subject line, the position which you are applying for. The second one is you have to also explain that whether you saw that job on LinkedIn or in a newspaper or someone else referred to you. The third one is you have to convince the recruiter in 3 to 5 points. Keep it short and explain the recruiter that why you deserve this job. Don't forget to attach your CV or resume in the attachment section of the mail. As I told you in previous videos also, end it with a warm closing and don't forget to put your signature. The signature consists of your full name and your contact information. Now, I hope you got the do's and don'ts of writing a cover letter. We are going to see some examples now. The first one is when you want to keep the cover letter brief, that is short. In this short cover letter, you just have to write that you're interested in the position and whether you saw it on LinkedIn or newspaper or someone else referred to you. And you have to end it by a warm closing. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. And don't forget to put your signature. Let's see the second example. If someone else referred you, then what you have to write? As I have written, and you can see on the screen, you have to start it with Dear Sir or Madam. You were referred to, you just have to write that you were referred by a mutual acquaintance. You have to write his or her name also. Also, you have to write about what he is. And next, you have to write about yourself. You have to write about your experiences and also what you like and what you don't like. And in the next paragraph, you have to write that you have attached your resume with the mail. I hope you understood this type of mail. You can see on your screen that I have ended the mail by a warm closing, that is, I look forward to speaking with you in the near future. If you wish to write about yourself in some bullet points, then don't mention more than 5 bullet points. As you can see on your screen that I have mentioned 4 bullet points. You can take an idea from these bullet points. I have covered almost everything which you should write. The first one is that what's your experience and how much team you can manage. The second one is about your background. The third one is if any specific software you know about. And the fourth one is superb relationship building skills, enabling team members to focus on tasks even during challenging times. In the fourth one, you have to explain about your extra skills. And at last, you have to mention that my CV is attached, providing further information on how my career background meets your requirements. I would welcome the opportunity to meet with you in person to discuss this further. This is even a more formal closing than I explained you in the previous two examples. And at last, you have to write, I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks and regards, and then your email signature. I hope you learned how to write a cover email by these three examples. You can use these three examples and take an idea from them whenever you want to apply for a job. Like when you want to apply briefly, or if someone referred to you, or you want to explain about yourself in bullet points with a formal closing. Thank you for watching my video, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram by writing our name, that is Nursery to Varsity. For any queries, you can contact us on our email ID, that is nurtover@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video.